Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on item names in the voice control on iPhone and what it does. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So to get to the settings, you want to go open settings, then swipe down a little bit, go to the accessibility, click on accessibility. Then you want to go to the voice control. So swipe down, click on the voice control. Now, as you can see, now I have the voice control on, and I also do have the attention aware, how it works and how to turn this feature on. We have another video on our channel, so be pleased to find that video and get to know that. So, the item names. You want to go swipe down a little bit, then go to the overlay, and then click on the item names. And now once you click on this one, you have these two options: automatic dimming. You can set this feature to off or on, and the seconds, after how many seconds, these options are going to be dimmed. So you can set to, let's say, 2.5. But in my case, the 2 seconds are just okay. And also you have the dimmed opacity of those item names. I'm going to set it at, let's say, 40. So now let's see how it works. Start listening. Start listening. Now, as you can see, we have those item names. Now they are dimmed. Once you move your screen, they are not dimmed right now. And now they are dimmed, and they are just showing you the options of the voice control. So now, as you can see, you can just, as you can see with voice control, say this little sentence, and this is going to do just this one. And this is just showing you what are the options on the screen. So tap on voice control. Tap on overlay. Tap on none. Tap on none. Choose none. Choose none. As you can see, this is not working pretty well all the time, but this is how it works with the item names. And to turn this feature off, you just want to do the same actions. So I'm just going to say stop listening. Stop listening. And now the voice control is off, so I'm not going to see all those item names. To turn this feature off, open settings, go to the accessibility, go to the voice control, go to the overlay, and then just select none. So this is it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.